Assalamu alaikum, POBers, subscribers, and my friends, brothers and sisters. Um, Today you can see what kind of today you realize what kind of video I'm making today. Today I'm making one of the horse farm. Yes, that's right. That's called horse farm. You know, there is a horse keeping, how to horse keeping and rearing and rising. You can see the same as the same thing is like. Same thing is like keeping in the horse in the UK. There not much spend money to ride the horse. So horse is UK one of the famous cattle, not cattle like a animal. So people can keep them and ride them, and so horse is like this kind of they normally. Maybe some people have a question. Okay, what's the doing about the horse? And uh, horse, normally people not eating the horse meat, and horse basically is for racing and for riding, keeping, and for only reason to race. And some horse you cannot race because they are quite heavy and not racing. They cannot race. They're only rearing and keeping only for show. The rising in keeping the horse for show. And horse is basically UK is quite expensive actually. So in UK, one of the horse you can buy, but depend on breed, depend on what kind of breed. And horse is like a um, many like a many cows and sheep, like a many breed. Like if you think about like cows, the cows have a many breed: Holstein Friesian, Jersey, Milk Sheraton, Swedish, this and that. You know that Jersey and many things. So same thing is like a sheep. There's many kind of breed and sheep. So horse is like same. Many. I'm not no. I have no idea about much more about uh, horse. You know that horse breed. So that's all I ever know. Horse is breed is basically uh, who rearing and keeping in the horse. They know about the horse, and they know that they're only for uh, only keep breed for horse. You know that. So that's the reason horse is people keeping. And I don't like much more horse, but I don't mind if I have enough space to keep in. See that you there is a horse, and the horse is riding. Horse is living in there, and rising the grass, and so they don't have any an extra spend an extra money for keeping in horse. So horse is basically less expense, and so if you keep in a couple of horse or 3 4 horse, I believe you don't have to spend lots of money for that, because they're eating on grass, so they leave them in the grass field for 6 7 months 8 months, and 6 7 months they're rising in the grass, in the grass field, they're living in here. So the basically is that main reason of people uh, keeping the horse. So I'm just showing you the roundabout here. So this is the big field, as you can see. Okay, I'll just leave it there. There is basically is a horse field. There's some residential area in here. So you can guess where I am and which area is it, because normally is that kind of place in only countryside. that's only countryside area. Okay, so this countryside area is very nice, and I also love it. My hobby is one day I keep land is like 100 acres to farming. See the horse is over there. Horse is going there. Maybe you can see clearly. So this is the horse, and you can see the small shed. So a small shed in over there. Says like 2 days beat rainy day. You can see all of my subscribers and all of my friends, all of viewers can see 2 days beat rainy day, bit rainy and cloudy. So could be rainy, more raining today. So not clear to see that, clear to see video, and this is the main reason to keep in horse, rearing and rising. Okay. Okay, so maybe later on I come going to close to horse, and well, last few minutes ago, no, not few minutes ago when I came that way, and some of the horses came near me, and well, I don't know horse is biting, hitting, or kicking people, but I saw that sometimes horse is kicking the people, which is the very hardly kick. Horse only the big kicker. Okay, so very careful to think. Don't stay or don't stand behind a horse. Anytime horse can kick you, and while you are injured and serious injured, so very careful to about horse. So you can see the small horse or shedding in here, and I just saw the maybe I'll make another video which is the more closer. I saw the many horses over there. That's rainy time. So there is a see. You can see that this is around here, and there is up there. You can see over there. There is a big hill. The big hill you can see clearly. There's still. That's the big hill and forest. So this is a big forest area, and there is some residential. You can I think this house owner or this house homeowner keeping this horse, and the reason to keep the horses for I think maybe they show that they like a hobby or some reason they keep it. This horse is not able to go race. Okay, I think this horse is not able to go race. This is not racing horse. It's quite big horse, big body, so they cannot move. And racing horse is like a big, thin. You know what I mean? Like a quite tall and thin. So this is the racing horse. I can guess, but this I can show that. And there is also you can see here is small park. And the children can play here. So this is park. Okay. This is the park in here. So this park, and sometimes people come in here and play in the park, and the park area is very nice, really area. Okay, so the thing is okay. Look, this is the main landing area, and I can go back to my camera. Moved in horse shed. Okay, so you cannot see horses right now because they are in you can see that. Okay, they are getting the horse shed. They make a small shed. So when the rainy times, the horses get in the shade because the raining the raining time, the horse can safe in there. That's why they make a small shed. I think this shed is 12 by 10 feet shed. So this shade could be spent UK money. I think is about 1200 quid, so 1200 pound need to spend on this kind of shade. This kind of shade is only 1200 pound you need it, so you can spend 1200 minimum 1200 pound to spend this money. And the reason 1200 pound, if you spend a 1200 pound, then 1200 pound, if you spend the 1200 pound, then you can make this kind of shade, and you can make a nice of shade to shelter to keep your horse, because this is horse rising area. Well, I'll find you another today another bigger one, but today is a big rain. Yeah, my aim is today I'm making another 2 or 3 videos, but today is raining, so that's why I don't know if I can able to make another videos today. So if not raining, I'll try another big video to make the big videos, so another half an hour or 30 minutes or 15 minutes to show them my viewers, and to show the videos and how nice is the UK horse racing shed. And so I can show you again around here. So this is the horse shed, this is the horse shed, and over there you can see the big forest area, and this is the all of round here. Okay, so this is the forest area. Okay, this is a big garden here. So this is around here. So you can see the big raining, and oh, it's more raining in here. Okay, so you can say June is normally not much raining in the UK. And another thing, UK weather is no, you cannot believe that, or UK weather, and you cannot believe so UK weather as well. See this horses, see one of the horse is coming out from shade. It's raining, but this is his horse is coming from shade. So this is, see, he getting again inside. So reason is rain, so that's why they're all in the shade. And very nice. I enjoyed this horse, and my hobby is making the nice horse, nice animal, cattle, and video to show the people. This is my hobby actually. And if you like my channel, and if you want to see more video about it, like pets, cattle, birds, animals, so please subscribe my channel, like and share. If you want to see continuous the video, then if you like it and put the notification button on, then upload if I upload the next video, I will notify you automatically, so you don't miss maybe next videos. So yeah, so this is videos today. My topic is horse farming. Yeah, horse farming, and horse rearing, horse rising, and there is not many people, but I'll work more about the horse, about horse breed and horse, all kind of horse, which are racing horse, and about I will tell all of my subscribers too about the price, the horse. If anyone interested to buy the horse and keeping the horse, raising the horse, how much you have to spend about the feed, how much about to spend the shade, how much about to spend the raising. But UK, if you're raising the horse, if you're raising the cattle, any other thingy, only fig I think they have a little bit extra spend, but other thingy who eating the grass, they don't have to spend the extra money for that. Okay, so the easy way to the keeping in the horse. Okay, and horse, the less cost, less rising, less thingy. Yeah, so well, horse I think one day I can see this is a less expensive the UK keeping any animal. Bird I think is a little bit expensive. Bird feed is different kind of feed. They have a different bags, so different spend have to money loss of that. So horse animal, cow, sheep, beef, this kind of thingy, you don't have to spend lots of money. This is good profitable thingy. But even you think of commercial, if you think of the profit about the business about the animals in the UK, that's good. Sheep, that's good business. Cow is good business. A horse is for only for show. There's no, cannot sell. You cannot sell the horse meat. Or I never seen the UK anybody selling the horse meat or anybody eating the horse meat. Alright guys, so this video is going to longer. I'm going to off and I'm making another video. So if you like this channel, please subscribe, and if you want to see more video, next video, please and subscribe and put the button notification button on. You get the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.